He came out late. You know, when Post Malone came out though, Post Malone, he came out late, man. I was waiting on Post Malone on stage like, bruh, come on, bruh. When he came out, like, hey.
Shining, yeah. That's why we shining, yeah. That's why we shining.
Yo, what's up? It's your boy Zaytona, Z-A-T-O-N-A, and I'm back with a banger. So listen, man, I'm about to do this little talk, you know, basically saying like what a few people that I met, as I've been in the world. So, let's see. First person I met. Well, not the first person I met, but first person I want to say is Post Malone. I seen Post Malone when I stayed in Vegas. He did a concert at this place called EDC. That boy is lit. If you've never been in EDC, bro, you gotta go. You gotta go because it's a 3 days. It's a 3 days event. So, that's good. It's a 3 days event, and like everybody go there. I know a lot of West Coast people go there, and I know a lot of East Coast people know about it. So you need to go ahead and go to EDC. It is in Vegas. That boy is lit, bro. And Post Malone is only 23.
But, yeah.
MGK. I met MGK. He stayed in Cleveland. He stayed like 15, 20 minutes away. And that guy used to just always go to clubs, yo. He used to always go to clubs and doing his music. I met him in East Cleveland. That's a park in Cleveland. He was shooting his music video.
Bitch, I'm from the land till I die. Till I die, man.
I was at the library. I think my friend was walking in, and she said, "Bro, you know MGK is down the street?" I said, "Swear." So I went to go check with MGK. He cool, for real.
I met a lot of people, for real, y'all. I met Terry Crews. I think 2005, 2006. I met Terry Crews.
And I shook his hand. Bro, I was probably like 11, 12. I shook his hand, man. That dude hands are strong, yo. I was like, oh, snaps. He cool. I met Sheena Arnold. Everybody was cool because I was always going to, like, my cousin, she plays on Everybody Hates Chris. She played on Everybody Hates Chris, so I was meeting all the celebrities there. I met Wiz Khalifa.
He was doing a concert too. A lot of people I've been meeting though, they've been doing a lot of concerts, and then you can still meet them after that. Wiz Khalifa, he came out late. You know, when Post Malone came out though, Post Malone, he came out late, man. I was waiting on Post Malone on stage like, bruh, come on, bruh. When he came out, like,
hey. But Post Malone, he came like an hour late. I'm like, bruh, we ain't doing that. I met Tiana Taylor. She was doing the concert too. Tiana Taylor, man, she looked good too. And then, I think my friends, they've been in her music video. They was killing it, yo. I ain't heard about the audition till late.
oh God, like a fire. Hey,
Have you guys ever heard of Last Twins? Last Twins. The dancers.
Oh, good. I met the Last Twins. Yo, they are tall as ever. Yo, they are tall. Bruh. I was at their workshop.
I kept recording them and everything. They're on my YouTube channel. I kept recording them and everything, trying to take pictures. I think one of them was telling me like, I think one of them said, "Are you listening to me?" I'm like, yeah, I'm listening. I'm just recording y'all. I'm a YouTuber. I'm getting this footage. What do you mean? But at the end of the day, it was awesome. I think that was in 2015 I went. They had a workshop where I stayed in Cleveland. So that was lit, though. I am not about to eat all this pizza though. Like, I'm not. This pizza was hot and ready though, for real. I met a lot of people, or either they discovered me because I probably hit them up, but they hit me back up on YouTube. Like, you guys know Q Park? Q Park, he replied back to me on YouTube. Man, he's amazing, but I never met him. Supreme Patty, I never met Supreme Patty yet either, but I want to. Supreme Patty, I want to meet him. He crazy though. I really want to meet him though. But the person that I would love to meet again, like if I had to choose one person, maybe Post Malone.
Post Malone is a good guy, yo. He's a good guy. That guy, every this one song, but like, I fall apart, damn too damn hard, something like that. That song is lit. That song is lit, yo. Like, you never heard that, yo. You gotta listen to that song. I don't need that right now. But thank you guys for watching my video. I'm gonna eat this pizza later though, because our boy getting full. I was about to cuss, but you know, I ain't about to. I about to be like, bitch, getting full. But y'all, I'll catch y'all in the next video. This pizza is like too juicy, y'all.
But I'll catch you guys later. And dang, see ya. Play the music.